This is Peter Selma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2021 Sea Ray 290 SDX Outboard. We'll start in the back here. Our sun pad, wide for about 3 people. This boat is powered with twin 250 Merc Verados. Sea deck walking into the boat. We'll transition into the infinity woven flooring. We have the stone color interior, light gray on a darker gray. On the starboard side here, we have our grill top, and cockpit fridge with sink alongside the grill there. A lot of room inside this boat, obviously. Plenty of space, plenty of storage underneath these seats. Transition both back and forth, give you a little more room in the cockpit. At the helm, we have our upgraded Simrad display, digital throttle shift, and with the 250 Mercs, we have our joystick piloting operating system here. All of our switching, again, nice leather bound wheel there. This boat has the upgraded head compartment. Up in the bow, very spacious area up there. We do have the windlass on this boat, which is all the way forward. And then underneath our seats here, these will be insulated. Very nice assists here. Alright guys, again, 2021 Sea Ray 290 SDX Outboard here in Brick, New Jersey. If you have any questions about this or any of the boat that we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.